Hi everyone, in this video we will be finding the first non-repeating character in a string. We'll use two approaches. First approach would be using a hash map. The second approach would be using the Stream API. Both approaches are very good and very simple. Let me start with the main method and I'll give a string str equal to, let's say, AA, B, D, B, R, T, C, S, C. This is the string, okay? Yeah, and we'll first using HashMap. First, we'll do it using HashMap. Very simple approach. We'll create one method, public static, because it is returning char, and what would be the method name? First non-repeating character. Let's give first non-repeating character only. Non-repeating character. Okay, non-repeating string. It will have an argument which is the original string, and originally what we'll do, we have to return some character, so I'll give this. I have given this. This is a default case whenever we didn't find any unique or non-repeating character. In case everything is duplicated, everything is coming more than one time, so in that case we'll return this underscore. Okay, let's go. So first thing what I'll do, I'll create a hash map only. New hash. Okay, so hash map I have to create. Okay, now because we'll store the value against the character, so character and integer. Okay, now I'll give it hm, make it easy to write. Now I'll start int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length. I'm starting a loop to save all the characters in hashmap. So hashmap dot put character key, whatever is the character. So I will do this first. Caret I. I'll have this character, whatever character comes at ith index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till the length of the string. I'm storing it first in a char variable ch, then I'll put it here, and then I'll have it dot get. I'll use get or default method. You should know get or default method, why it is being used. It used to get the value of that key, and if it is not available, it will give us the default value. We will set that default value. The default value we are setting 0 and +1, because we are adding the first value that will be doing here. Okay, so that we have done, we have added all the character in this hash map. Now we'll have to check for the character which is coming only one time. So int I will give what I'll give here, I'll give ch, and since I have already given, give chr and str to character array. We are iterating the character array. We'll create one character array of that str. We'll iterate, we'll check one by one. The character will check from A, B, 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 R. One by one we'll check if it is not here or not. So what we'll check if hm dot get key, whatever is the key is this. If it is equal to 1, if it is equal to 1, then we found the first one, right? Non-repeating character, or the very first, because we are iterating from beginning to end, it would be the first character. So return directly from here, return chr. If it is not found, then what we will do? What's the error? Add the okay, because I have right int here, that's why it was the error. So return chr, otherwise this. Now the program is complete. Now we'll run it. That's why yes. So first, now run it. So you see D is the first non-repeating character. As you can see, A, B, D. D is not anywhere and it is the first one which is non-repeating. So this was the method program finding first non-repeating character using HashMap. Now we'll use Stream API to do this to the sun. Stream API to, sorry about that, to do the same. What? First non-repeating character. Okay, let's start writing the method. We'll have public static. It will also return the char and public static char first non-repeating character using Stream API. So always understand and make sure that you should remember this thing, whatever I'm going to tell you. Whenever you write a name of a method anywhere in your organization or anywhere, make it meaningful. First non-repeating character using string, so that anyone from the outside organization or inside organization, whenever they review, they see the method, they should know what the method is doing. Got my point? This is the standard. You have to maintain it. So for now, I'm giving return this. Okay. So we'll start with str and we'll have str2 chars. We'll have the stream, int stream. Now what we'll do, we'll map it to object. So what it will do, C lambda operation char C. So we have C. Now what we have to do, we have to collect. We have to count the frequency. So collect. Now comparator dot grouping y, not comparator, collect collectors dot grouping y, collectors dot grouping y, because we will be grouping the each character by itself. So I'll give this grouping y s as we can give. So I'll give one thing now. Function dot identity is being used here, so you may have used it everywhere. Function dot identity, what it does, it maps the same character to it. So for example, this is a, so it will have this a and it will count the value a, how many times it comes. So this is the function dot identity work. Here I'll use linked hash map. Linked hash map. So let me write new. What's happening? Linked hash map, and we'll create new linked hash map and we'll have it have the counting on in linked hash map. Collectors dot counting. So what this program will give, this program will have the character, will get the character, and that character will be saved in linked hash map, and that characters count will be given by this collectors dot. Okay, so this we have done. Now we have the hash map value. Similarly, like this part is done here till now. We have put all the values with their counts till now. Now we have to check the first non-repeating character. So entry set will do now to iterate whatever we do. Stream. Okay, now so we have this. So okay, Now we'll do filter, and what we will filter? We will filter the value map dot, let's say this, I'll do this, and map dot get value. No, it is not the same, so we'll have this map dot entry dot get value. Map dot entry dot get value we have taken. What we have done this. So what we'll do, we'll have filter, so we can have like this, entry dot get value is equal to 1. Then we'll have map, we'll get the key with the help of map. Now we'll find first, it will give us the first character. Now we have the character, and what we can do, find first dot, or else what we can do, find first dot get we can do, right? So this will get us the character. Now we can call this method so, and we'll print it, and the result should be the same. So you got it. What is the main thing? Let me explain you again. So we have str dot chars, why chars, because char, why map to object, because str dot char is the int string, as you can see here, it's an int string. Dot map to provided we map to object, because we have to convert it to the char, because this isn't, we have to convert it to char to do the operations. Now we have collected, we have grouped, we have saved in the linked hash map. Why linked hash map? Because it is ordered. Linked hash map is ordered, hash map is not ordered, that's why we have used linked hash map. Then we have used entry set to iterate over the map, linked hash map. Then we have created the stream again. Then we have filtered, if the entry dot get value, we can use anything, this is just a variable. We can use money also, yeah, m also we can use. So we have a stream, so m dot get value equal to 1. Map dot entry, we are using method reference here, we are getting the key, and whatever is the first, we are finding the first key. If we want to do here one more thing, dot get we can also do that. In that case, we need not to use find first there, so it will directly give us the character, so we can return the character here, right? So this will also give the same. So that's the program. Two things: first, non-repeating character using hash map, and stream API. Thank you guys.